Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So today I have the Balanced Lifestyle box. This box goes for, I don't know, about $60, but you can go on their website. I will leave the link below, and they usually have $40 off like your first box. They have this lifestyle box, they have a women's box, they have like a snack box, they have a men's box. So you can go on there and just kind of search and shop for the box that fits your needs. So this is probably like the third box I've received. I thought I had canceled this, but I guess I didn't. So I have one more box coming and then it will be canceled. So let's see what's in here. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like me and my videos enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. It really helps me out a lot. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You know how much I love and appreciate all you guys. And I've made some terrific friends doing YouTube. So we have a card. They don't really wrap it like in tissue or, you know, really reaches out to you. But because it's so filled with goodies, I don't care. So the first thing we have is a card, and it tells us what's in here with the retail prices. So I'm going to put this to the side. And then we have, not sure what this is, Advancing Nature's Intelligence. And it goes through, I guess, different products that you can get for your aging skin. Maybe not your aging skin, but my aging skin. So there's some really nice products. There's sheet masks and creams. So I look forward to browsing through that. And then Color Reflect Mist and Go Conditioner. So there's a code that you can use to get a discount on that. We love discounts. And then we have another Roll-On Breathing Deeply to Refresh and Focus. Always love to refresh and focus. Now let's get into, I mean, this is filled. And I'm pretty sure I paid like, I either got the 40% off or I paid the $59.99. Whichever, it's worth it. So the first thing we got is this bag of goodies. Not sure what's in here. I don't know if they ever do a sneak peek or not with this box. But a lot of boxes will send you previews. And I just kind of, unless I'm really interested, I want to be surprised. Oh my God. There's some heavy scent of something in here. We have a box, Cocoa Noir Time Reverse Facial Serum by Botanicals. Now, definitely want that. And, oh, I'm not sure. I've gotten this before, and I think I have it in my shower. Oromir Exfoliating Body Bar. I think this is what is smelling. Whew. And it said, I've been suffering from allergies, so I'm trying not to get involved in a lot of like perfumey things, but I am. And then this must be a Jasmine Bath Bomb. This thing is like huge. And then, I mean, this bag is definitely killing my allergies. Do any of you suffer from allergies? Because I know I'm a big sufferer. And Loop Style. So I don't know what we have in here. Oh. I'm so sorry, but even this smells. It's a nice, soft, clippy for your hair. I'm not going to put it in, but I swear, everything in this cute little bag has a scent. Okay. And, oh, whatever was in here is no longer. It's the Sue Skin Signature Antioxidant Eye Serum. And I can go through eye serums like crazy. Oh, this could be the culprit. Antioxidant Eye Serum. So they already took it out of the package for us. And that is a big eye serum. Always worth its weight in gold. Then we have by Shikai Color Reflect Mist and Go Conditioner. Add shine, detangles, or get a midday lift. I can use this. So it's obviously for color treated here. And nobody has more of that than I do. So I'm excited to try this. Gosh, they just filled this up. Ooh, another thing that's trying to inch their way out. Mineral Fusion Line and Define Trace Definer Eye Pencil in Kohl. So my sister was just asking if I had any of those, so I'll have to send that to her. And I've received these before. Mind That Energy Focusing Essential Oil Blend. And I have received these before, and I don't think I have used them yet. Ooh. This looks like a nail polish. I'm assuming this is a nail polish versus maybe a lip gloss. It's Mineral Fusion, but I'm loving the color. Isn't that a great color for summer for like your toes? That is really pretty. And more. This is by Andalou Naturals, New and Improved, Fresh and Dewy 2-in-1 Serum. Sensitive, Rose and Vitamin E. So I'm thinking it's for your face. I don't have my glasses on. And it's got a dropper. And some Strong Grip Invisibobbles. They're just popping up everywhere, those guys. And Nature's Intelligence sleeping masks. And those have been popping up everywhere. Love those. And now we come into some home goods. This is Poupée, and I don't know what they are. They are pre-washed, ultra soft, made in Turkey, anti-wrinkle, and I don't want to take them out yet, but we have that brochure that I hid somewhere, so we will find out what those are. And okay, I'm taking guesses on what this is. So I'll take a breather and you write in the comments below what you think this item is, because I have no idea. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? Let's see what this item is. I don't know. It's not soft. Ooh, ooh. I'm thinking handbag. If you guessed handbag, you could be right. Oh, what's the backpack? And it is to adore. Yep. It's by Pixie Mood, and I've heard of that brand before. Wow. It's, I want to say, like a tan color. And it's got enough tags on there. But how cute is this? Let's just open her up. Oh, it's got a zipper, so I guess I have to unzip it first. Got a tiny zipper. Is that all there is to it? I'm confused because it doesn't open up very far. See? I mean, you can't really, I mean, it's got stuffing in there, but you can't really put much stuff. It would be nice if it came around here and then you can fully open it. It does have a dust cover, but it's weird. Oh, you know what? Hold on, guys. Hold on. It was tucked in. Oh, there you go. So you can fully open it. Now that makes more sense. And once you take all the tissue out, and again, it does have a dust cover, and it just flips over, but the nice thing, it does have that zipper. Duh. And then it's got the zipper on the back, so if you wanted to stick your cell phone in there, and it's got the handle and a handle here. Wow. So you can crossbody it. This is really nice because I was going to give it to my younger sister who takes care of mom. She loves small purses. That's all she uses is small purses. So whenever I get these small purses, I bring them over to her and she just loves them. So this is going to go to her. Hopefully she's not watching this video, but I'll probably get it to her before I get the video up. I don't know, but this is just too cute for words. What do you think of this now that I spent an hour of video time on this? I just think this is so adorable now that I figured out the handle. Okay, so let's just, with that card, recap everything that's in here. I thought this was a great box. And I had to cancel it because, you know, I'm going away. But I found out what's on the back. So these are the different choices that you can get in boxes. And I think they have a box that's like $14 or $15 a month that comes full. And I've never tried that one because I'm not really into all that, eating all that stuff because I'm trying to diet. But they have a healthy habits box, you know, and then they have a box that has more type of foods in it. So what came in this box is the Mineral Fusion nail polish, and that was that really pretty color. So next time I go and have my nails done, I'm bringing that with me. Then they have the Skin Antioxidant Eye Serum, and that retails for $15.99, and that nail polish, believe it or not, retails for $9.99. And then that cute bag, and these were the choice colors. So I guess I got that one. I would have loved to get that one, but we got that one, and that retails for $95. And then the lip sleeping mask retails for $13.99. The Color Reflect Mist and Go conditioner, $11.99. And then these that I didn't take out of the box are large Turkish hand towels, set of 2, and they are beautiful. Wow, I love the pattern on them. And those were the big items. So I guess all these other little items that I got, the Invisibobble and things, they just threw them in. So the box was, oh wait, unless I missed a page. Oh, missed a page. The Mineral Fusion Kohl Eye Pencil was $17.99. The Now Foods Mind, that Energy Essential Oil Blend Roll-On was $8. The Andalou 1000 Roses Fresh Dewy 2-in-1 Serum, $28.99, and the Invisibobbles were $8. So what did you think of that box? Because I've received, you know, boxes like this before that have all home goods in them. And I thought this was a really great box, and I'm glad that I got it. And again, I have one more box that's coming before I go, and I'm so excited to get it. So leave me what your favorite item was below. And don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you next video.